Is your face oily now? We can color it. Because after your skin tone is even, the amount of foundation you use can be relatively small. It's not that easy to get stuck in powder. Fart, 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 I didn't. Matter. For foundation, we choose better moisturization, then the more obedient kind. Thin layer of nasolabial folds. This easy place to get stuck in powder. You have less. In this way, the card powder will then be smaller. Very natural and translucent, one medium sexy. In this case, I will also replace it with this hang shui. I think this slope still can't. So right? It's the kind of plump that looks good in this state. And today's makeup is that kind of bead circle. Does urine feel? We're a little dented on it. Must be considerate. Disassemble a new distribution. Very pretty. Just a little bit in the face. Add a little more of this color. How blush plus thorns. More and more beeping on the bridge of the nose. In this case, we will reduce the use of some powder products. Make this base makeup a little clearer. If you want to keep it, it's clear. We'll set the makeup partially. Start with a medium and light foundation. The other lower eyebrow part. The eyebrows, we are not strong today. Very rooted feeling. The eye makeup part needs this color first, a little bigger than the eyelids. Maybe the eye makeup will be clearer. Print this pink. At this glance, you can see that it is pink. Lower eyeshadow here. He took the whole thing away. Then I will divide the eye map of this color. There are lines for the second half. Has a reddish-brown eyeshadow color. Trace the part of our lower eyelid. Hope this pink holds a pen. Brighten the whole wood. Change to a brighter color. This is the middle part of the Ajusao. Let's drop this sequin. Partly to brighten, and then, by the way, set makeup. This gloss here is exposure. T-shirt. Then this slightly darker powder. Let everyone try the repair of the soil. Record this moment. Look at the lips as usual. Let's use another water gloss makeup spray. In this way, your base makeup comes out flat and then shiny again, you see.